So this is Bugatti Chiron in the yellow, black with chrome rims. I have two other, I believe, Chirons where it's in a red and black with a number on the front, I forgot which one, and a silver and black. No numbers, and I believe they're also both in black rims. And I got this one a while ago. I honestly kind of forgot when, because of the chrome rims. I thought they were really good looking, and the spec kind of reminds me of the Bumblebee, not the Transformer, but a Bumblebee. I forgot what they called it, Bugatti, that I saw in one of Stradman's videos a long time ago. I don't know, I really like Bugattis, mainly the Veyron. I really wish they made one of these in 118, but if you are in the market for one, they are a lot of money. So right now, let's just open this one and get it out of the box and off the platform and remove all the stuff on it. So this is the car with everything removed. Again, just the Bugatti knows how to design their cars. I'm a huge fan of the Veyron. The Chiron is pretty good looking, but for as long as if we've seen it, I'm just a little tired of seeing the design. Although the 300 plus, or I think that's the 300 plus, where the back end kind of comes out just a little more, I do like that one a whole lot more, even though it's just a couple extra in the back. I do like it a little more, but the Veyron I do like way more than I do the Chiron. So let's open the hood. There you go. Can't really open it that much, but hard to see. Let's get the flashlight. So that's how much space we got in the front. Not a whole lot, but big enough to hold your screws so you don't lose them. Now the interior, I do like the brown interior. I think it looks very, very classy. Trying to use my flashlight to see a bit more, and the interior does look really, really good. Very nice. I do like the brown a whole lot, and with the flashlight it looks like the black has a little more of a purple or blue to it, which I think is really nice. And the side, you got Chiron on the floor, carbon fiber and brown doors with brown seats and seat belts. Really good looking interior. Nice and simple, but not incredibly too simple like a Tesla minimalist interior, where it's just a flat dash and a tablet in the middle. At least with this car, there's not really that many screens. I don't think there's any in this car. I believe the dash is like a regular dash. So let's take a look at the engine bay. I don't think we can take a look at the engine bay. I think it's like fully sealed. Although I do see some lines, which I thought there was a door here, but it doesn't seem like it, so at least we get to see the top of it. W16 motor. Unless I'm wrong about that, then just let me know in the comments and I'll try again some other way. But the wing does go up, which is pretty cool. And the back of the Chiron, pretty good looking. And the underside, which I don't think has too much on it. So bburago, Bugatti Chiron 118, and made in China. So other than some extra vents and more aero, not much down here. Take a look at these rims right here. pretty good looking. But other than that, I don't really think there's much else to talk about with the Chiron. Especially this one. It's a pretty simple car. Not too much going with it. It's just another simple Chiron to have in your collection if you're going for a fancy garage or even a dealership, a Dubai supercar dealership, where there's 10 of these out in the front. That's because that was the cheaper car, and the interior has nothing but Mansory and Brabus cars, which are sometimes 3x the original car price, which I don't get. I'm not really a huge fan of Mansory or Brabus kits. Like I think they're kind of a waste of money because they look kind of ridiculous. Like to me, it's like no performance. It's just body kit that is usually carbon fiber, which kind of makes it look ugly. I don't know if that's just me, but it kind of looks so ugly. And especially the worst one that I don't get how people paid for it was the Urus kit. That one was ridiculously ugly, but people paid for it. I mean, I don't got no money. I don't have that kind of money, so what do I know? But anyway, going back to this Chiron, it's a pretty simple car. I really do like it. It's a nice different look, especially if you look at all of my other cars that I have up right now. All of them usually have like some sort of black rims, which do look good, but can easily be overused too much. Like this one has bronze, I believe. This one is just a regular alloy, and then these ones are just a timeless classic white walls. Even then the rims are body color, so other than that, there's not much else to talk about with the Bugatti Chiron, so thanks for watching.